Sanbanani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla madala, amakhehla makhulu, amakhehla mahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. So on today's video, I want to continue talking about Inkosazana, and then I want to also first respond to a question. Someone said, I dream of mermaids and I also see leopards. Does that really mean that nginawo yini umoya wenkosazana or ngihamba nayo inkosazana? Lalela. For me to say you can confirm ukuthi unayo inkosazana, those visions might show that uqhubuke ebukhosini, but to really confirm ukuthi uhamba nawo lo moya wenkosazana, lo moya wenkosazana will approach you eventually. Uzok approacha, if I got approach eventually, it's lo moya uzok approacha, lengilos inkosazana izok approacha and speak to you. And once it has approached you and spoke to you, you don't have to share it with anyone. And you must know ukuthi isebenza ngemfihlakalo ngoba imfihlakalo yamaZulu imfihlakalo yakhe umveli nqangi. That's it. So ngifuna ukukhuluma ngabathandazi abahamba nayo inkosazana, abanawo lo moya, abambathise wona lo moya. Your journey is not so easy umumbathiswe lo moya wenkosazana. And you really need to understand yourself, understand the power that you have because of unamandla. And you really need to accept that power because of it's not going to be an easy journey for you. Umumbathiswe lo moya and umuntu okhulekela abantu, it's not going to be easy because of your faith is going to be tested, strengthened, shaken. Kuningi nje ozok experience, like there's a lot, but it's so beautiful because of as you go through tests, as your faith is being strengthened, you go through different levels. And lo moya ofuna ukuthi uphilele nje uphilele. Remain clean, pray more. If you're praying once a day, that's not enough. Umthandazi, to be quite honest, akathandazi once a day. Mina personally, I don't pray once a day. I do my silent prayers if I'm not in a space where I could just kneel down and pray, but awuthandazi once a day. You literally pray. And you always have an upper hand because you pray. You are shown things that are coming. You are shown things that are happening. And ujulile lo moya, if uwembethe lo moya, because of you might be sleeping, wona uphakamile kuwena uyasebenza ukubonisa izinto. Abantu abaningi bayasho nje ukuthi hey uyababona abantu abagangayo ebusuku ungacelanga ukubabona, kodwa nje you need to remain prayerful. And another thing ekumele ukuthi uyazi, mawuhamba nalo moya uphunyuka bemphethe. And mangithi uphunyuka bemphethe because of you can be in trouble, but ubona all of a sudden uNkulunkulu sekayenza miracle yakhe uphumile kuleyo nkinga leyo. Abantu basathi bakubhekile ukuthi nangu uyalimala, nangu uyawa, naku kuyaphela, and then God just saves you. And mawungakawamkeli lo moya, you will be in trouble because of lo moya ufuna ukuthi ifaith yakho ujule because of nawo lo moya okanye nayo inkosazana ihlala ejuleni kwamanzi, ihlala phansi emanzini. So your faith will have to be deeper like the oceans. And another thing ekumele ukuthi uyazi ngalo moya wenkosazana, information is not shared. And uyabona ukuthi I'm talking about umoya wenkosazana, but there are certain things that I'm literally forgetting. It's intentional, not that you mean, but lo moya awufuni ukuthi uwaziwe ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Hence when you check the internet, people will tell you their versions of their stories, but uyimfihlo. You need to pray. You need to pray. And more when better loyo moya loyo unenhlanhla, obviously you are just gifted. Konke okwakho kukuhambela kahle. Kodwa laba abathanda ukuthi hey wena uzala wembethwe. Can you see lento yokuthi sizalwa siyembethwe? What if lo muntu ubona ukuthi khona into yembethwe kanti wena umbathiswe wona lo moya? Bese ayakuthatha lo muntu athi asambe siyoyenza umsebenzi, ngikwenza umsebenzi ukuthi uphakamise inhlanhla yakho, kanti eyakhe inhlanhla ayifuni nokuthi uwenze umsebenzi, ifuna nje ukuthi wenzeni, uthandaze. Pray, 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 pray. Uma umthandazi uhamba nalo moya, lo moya uzoku-instructa, lo moya uzokubonisa, lo moya uzokuhlenga ukuthi what needs to happen, yini into lo moya ewudingayo. That's it. Then you just pray, But the challenges that you're going to experience, they are going to be extraordinary. And yila khona ukholo lwakho luzojula because of izinto uNkulunkulu azoba kufaka kuzo, akukhipha kuzo, akufaka kuzo, akukhipha kuzo. Nawe uzomangala ukuthi hayibo, is this really me? Where people are stressed, wona lo moya uyakubonisa ukuthi wena you shouldn't be stressed. Where people are worried, when you don't have to worry, because of kuzomela ukuthi uphile ngefaith, uphile ngokuka moya, hayi ngenyama. Because of ezinye izimo uNkulunkulu akufaka kuza kubeka kuzo, uhamba nawo lo moya, awudingi ukuthi uphiliso kwenyama. Ngoba mawusenyameni most of the time, trust you me, you won't stand the challenges. Because of there will come a time where everything just goes south. And God is allowing it so that you can pray and see the power ukwazi ukuzikhipha kuleyo situation leyo. Muhle lo moya, angifuni uqamba amanga, kodwa ubunzima bufana nobuhle babo. Ubunzima bunzima, ubuhle buhle. Mangithi ihlala ekujuleni kwamanzi. It's deeper than the down there. So now ukholo lwakho kuzomela ukuthi lube deep because of izimo ozondlula kuzona uma uwembethe lo moya. Uthandazisa abantu. Yes, and uma uthandazisa abantu uhamba nawo loyo moya loyo. You pray for people, you heal them instantly. You pray for people, tomorrow they come back, they tell you, hey, yazi ngikhulekile, and then things are going well. Thank you so much. This type of spirit just gives direction and gives clarity. And I trust you me, it does not come all the time. It's with you, it sees you, it will come to you when it needs you. But every time it will come and speak to you when you least expect. It will show up in your troubles. It will show up ebunzimeni bakho. Kodwa ngesikhathi sayo, hayi ngesikhathi sakho. Ngoba yini? Imfihlo le. It's like God. When we pray to God, uyasilindisa. Kwezinye ikhathi akasilindisi. Siyakhuleka manje sinike lento esiyicelayo. Siyakhuleka sicela ukuphola asipholise. Siyakhuleka sicela indlela athi lindani ngisayicenta le ndlela. So izinto zakho umveli inqangi ezemfihlakalo ziyimfihlo and kanti futhi ziyogcina ziyimfihlo. Yiko ngisho ukuthi abantu who are truly walking with the Spirit, they don't talk much, they don't share much, but uyababona from a distance with these people are glowing ngoba kuyimfihlo yamazulu. Simple as that. Simple as that. Kuyimfihlo yamazulu. Umoya lo ongakwazi ukubona ngelihlo laka lelihlo yenyama, kodwa uyakwazi ukubona ngelihlo lani lakamoya, because of it's most of the times where I was sleeping and I saw this, I was sleeping, I had a vision and this happened and this happened, this happened. So uhamba nawo truly and pray. You keep quiet. That's for you. If uhamba nawo, that is for you and not for everyone else. That is for you. People will just question, how are you doing things? How are things working out for you? Kodwa kunento uNkulunkulu akwembathise yona. Oyibonile ongakayiboni, you don't have to share it. Yimfihlo yamaZulu, yimfihlo now. And most of the times you can be walking with the Spirit bese singazivezi kuwo, because siyazi ukuthi wena uzokhuluma kakhulu. You are going to talk about it. So sivele sithi ngizolokolo ngiyenza izinto nje. And most of the time when you are praying, you are going to see yourself in different water bodies. Uzolokolo uzibona different water bodies. Kodwa into ebalekile, thandaza. Pray. It just needs you to pray. Hence ngithi ngikhuluma nabathandazi abahamba nawo lo moya. Okwakho ukukhuleka, ujule, ukhuleke, ubone izinto ilunga, ubone nezinye izinto zabanye labo bakhulekisayo zilunga, ubongwa nje ukuthi uyakhuleka, uvule inhliziyo, uzamukele ngokuphelela. I love you so much, guys. Akube nobumbano, nozwano, nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu.